Hi, good morning. I'm making banana pecan French toast this morning. This is a great recipe. It's basically just eggs, bread, milk, pecans, bananas, and flavorings. So I'm going to begin with 2 eggs, as well as a 1/4 cup of milk. Sometimes I use a little bit more or less depending on what the recipe needs. I'm going to place those on a plate. It's just easier to dip the bread. I use a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Now you can use banana flavoring if you like. I'm also going to use cinnamon, and the cinnamon is just a couple of shakes, so it's to your taste. I use a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar, or you can use brown sugar. And then I'm going to just mix those ingredients. And I mix those ingredients well. And I'm then going to step away and chop my pecans so that they're fine and not, big pieces in the batter. And once I have those all together, that's about a tablespoon of pecans right here. So I'm just adding those to the batter that I've already created. Next, I'm using a thick white bread, pretty decent quality. You want something that's a little drier so that it will absorb the batter. I know people that use cinnamon bread, so it's really your choice of bread. It works better, like I said, with a drier piece of bread. So you see I've coated the batter on each side, and then I'm going to transfer it to a prepared pan. And so it can be Pam or a little bit of vegetable oil, but you just want to let the French toast brown. And once it's brown on both sides, you can transfer it to your plate. And I add powdered sugar to the French toast. I cut up the bananas, add additional pecans, and it's a fantastic breakfast.